Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of eggs, but not just any eggs. We're talking about the star of brunches and a magnificent medley of ingredients that makes up the versatile Italian dish known as the frittata. But this is not all, we're also going to reveal some amazing and little-known facts about this culinary delight. Before we start cooking, let's talk about what a frittata is. This delightful dish is an Italian-style omelet that you can customize with just about any ingredients you like. Veggies, cheese, meats, anything goes. And the heart of a frittata? The humble egg. But here's our first lesser-known fact. Did you know the color of an egg doesn't reflect its nutritional content or taste? White and brown eggs are nutritionally the same, the color simply reflects the breed of the hen. As we crack these eggs and beat them, let's uncover our second surprising fact. Unlike an omelet or a traditional American-style scrambled egg, a frittata is typically not folded over or stirred around while it's cooking. You cook it low and slow on one side, then either flip it or finish it in the oven. This gives it its unique texture. It's a bit more robust than its French cousin, the delicate omelette. Now, as we mix in our ingredients, here's an interesting tidbit. The term frittata is Italian and it roughly translates to fried. This term was historically used to describe the method of cooking eggs in a skillet. And on to fact number 4. In the medieval period, frittatas were served sweet, not savory. They were filled with sugar, spices, and even rosewater, a far cry from the cheese and veggies we're using today. As our frittata cooks, let's reveal our final fact. Did you know that a frittata is often served at room temperature? It makes it perfect for picnics and lunches, as well as breakfast. And here's our finished product, a beautiful, golden brown frittata, filled with flavors. So there you have it, folks. Not just how to make a fantastic frittata, but also 5 intriguing facts about this versatile dish. Join us next time for more delicious dishes and fascinating food facts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and remember, keep cooking, keep exploring. Bon appetit!